Most traders lose money because they trade randomly. But today, I am showing you exactly how I turned a $60 small account into over $3,000. Just by following pure structure, timing, and session-based execution on gold. Watch this carefully, because every move here is calculated. This is not financial advice. I am simply sharing my trading approach. Always manage your risk and trade responsibly. Join my Telegram channel for more insights to come. I also invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of my community. All right, my first trade came during the Asian session. This H4 clearly shows a big gap over the weekend, and today the market opened with a bullish 800 pip move to fill this gap. Now, my first bias for this Asian session is buys, just to stay with the momentum side. After a small consolidation, gold gave the first buy setup right here. On this M15, gold has enough potential to fill this gap completely. You see, this is a clean breakout from this supply zone. Now price is forming a clean structure retest to push for this new zone. I place my entries just at this zone, expecting a one-way move to this complete structure. You see, gold can sweep a 100 pip structure like this with no drawdown. My goal is to aggressively scalp with my powerful leverage, then quickly exit after the structure is done. I am using small positions. Here is why. If I use small positions, my account will hit margin call and close just a few layers, leaving some running. But for big lots, the entire position will close. That's the difference. With just $60 at risk and this one structure setup, I scaled in on this A+ setup just to take full risk for a small account. And in just a 15-minute candle, the target was reached and the structure fully complete. I close all trades. Now my account sits at $282 with a full margin 80 pip move. This is just a small move from the 800 pip momentum in the Asian Open. Now I will wait for another setup to level up my account. Gold just made a buy continuation today. This is the same structure as yesterday. Gold is clearly in a buy trend, approaching a strong sell point. Gold always goes to a specific target, and with this momentum, this is the target for gold. For my case as a scalper, the safest target is a complete structure like this, or when the account reaches the desired target. Gold made this breakout buy, followed by a sharp retest, just like yesterday. I am taking my entries right now to take advantage of London session volatility. Wow, gold is pumping just like yesterday, already flying. Now, after taking more risks, my account is making good progress. I can now close my trades, growing my account to over $1,000 in just 2 A+ setups. Now, I will watch for safe trades like this. Gold gave a sell opportunity on M15 and M1, a clean scalping structure, just after a possible buy. You see, this M15 clearly shows a bearish New York session. The structure started this downtrending move, respecting this trend line. Now on this M1, this is a clean target for a structure to complete during this New York session. The M1 time frame gives sharp entries if you correctly place your trend lines. I quickly place my entries, targeting this zero traffic area to this target. Let's go.
Oh my God, what is that?
And just like that, gold is dropping well.
Oh my God!
My
What
balance
is
huge. I am playing safe now and choosing to exit right now. If you want to see more setups like this and learn how I approach the market step by step, make sure you join my Telegram. That's where I share my trades and insights in real time. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next breakdown. Let's keep growing and trading smart.